So what's up, guys? Creative here? Alright, let's talk about AI. It feels like every single day there's a new model, a new breakthrough, a new tool that promises to change everything. And a lot of them come with some pretty hefty price tags. But the part that I find most interesting, the part that's actually changing the game for millions of people, is happening for free. The barrier to entry for some of the most powerful and genuinely useful AI tools is dropping to zero. And that is a massive deal. It's not just about chatbots anymore. We're talking about tools that can do real, tangible work for you. AI is getting smarter every year. But here's the best part. You don't need to pay to use it. Today, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that literally do the work for you. Whether you're a creator, student, entrepreneur, or just busy, these tools will save you hours every week. Alright, first up is Perplexity AI. And I've got to say, this one has fundamentally changed how I approach research. For years, the workflow has been the same, right? You have a question. You go to a search engine, you type it in, you get a list of 10 blue links, then you have to click through them. You sift through the ads. You find the actual information. You piece it all together yourself. It works, but it's not exactly efficient. Perplexity flips that entire model on its head. It's less of a search engine and more of an answer engine. Perplexity AI is your free research assistant. Ask a question and get instant, citation-backed answers. Use it for quick research. Use it for fact-checking. Use it for source links. Instead of just giving you a list, it goes out, reads those sources for you, synthesizes the information, and presents a clean, concise answer. Think of it like a research assistant who gives you the summary and neatly footnotes everything so you can see exactly where it came from. This is the part that makes it so powerful. The citations are the killer feature here. Every statement links back to the original source. News article, scientific paper, market report, other sources. Ask, what are the latest advancements in battery technology for EVs in 2026? It gives a detailed summary with numbered citations. Click any number to verify. For students, game changer for papers. For creators like me, invaluable for scripting. It remembers context for follow-ups. Use focus to narrow to academic papers, YouTube, or Reddit. It's fast, intuitive, cuts through the noise, and the core functionality is free. Okay, next on the list is Gamma AI. This one tackles a task almost everyone dreads, making presentations. We've all been there. You know what to say, then spend hours messing with slide layouts, picking fonts, finding icons. Tedious, time-consuming. Gamma is here to fix that. It builds presentations and web pages from a prompt. Start with a single line. Tell it, a pitch deck for a new coffee subscription service. It generates a full outline. The problem, our solution, market size, business model, and more. Approve the outline and Gamma builds the slideshow. Cohesive theme, relevant icons, images, clean, modern layouts. Looks like ours with a designer, generated in about 45 seconds. Everything is editable. Card-based editing, rewrite text, swap images, embed video, change themes. Use it for class projects, investor decks, internal reports, training materials, and meeting agendas. Share a link, looks great on any device, get viewer analytics, and the free plan gives generous credits to start. Chapter 3. Alright, let's move from text and structure to the purely visual. This is where Leonardo AI comes in. AI image generation is exploding, but many top models are paywalled or complex. Leonardo strikes a balance. It offers powerful tools with a free tier that's genuinely useful, giving you daily credits to generate images. Generate images, thumbnails, product visuals, fast. Great for branding, thumbnails, and concept art, without cost. It feels built for creators. Fine-tuned models, photorealistic, isometric sprites, vintage poster art, sleek product photography. Instead of crafting a hyper-specific prompt, select a model and use a simpler prompt. Type, sleek minimalist bottle of high-end face serum on a marble countertop. Get a stunning, commercially viable image in seconds. Lower learning curve, more consistent results. Goldmine for custom assets across YouTube, social, blogs, ads. Beyond text to image, AI canvas to outpaint, fix, blend large scenes. Community lets you see prompts, your models, and remix with one click. If you need high-quality visuals without designer or stock budgets, Leonardo's free tier is a must-try. It's democratizing digital art. Chapter 4. So we've covered research, presentations, still images. The next logical step is motion. That brings us to Pika Labs, AI video used to live in research papers. Pika changed that. Create video clips from simple text prompts. Quality is surprisingly good, especially for short-form content. Type, drone shot flying over a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic. In a minute or two, Pika generates a short 3-second clip. It's not just a static image or a simple pan. The AI generates new frames, creating genuine motion and life. Control camera, pan, tilt, zoom, rotate. Influence style, anime, 3-dimensional animation, black and white film noir. Perfect for eye-catching B-roll, animated logos, looping videos for Instagram Reels and TikToks. Marketers, create unique video ads without a full shoot. A/B test variations in minutes. Creators, custom B-roll matching your theme. Image to video animates hair, rippling water, steam rising. The free version lets you generate a solid number of videos with a small watermark. Motion isn't always perfect, but it's improving fast. Features include extending clip length and modifying specific regions. It's an unbelievable resource. Chapter 5. Okay, for the last tool, we're bringing it all together. This isn't about generating new content from a prompt, but about managing all the information and tasks in your life. I'm talking about Notion, and specifically the Notion AI features. I've been a long-time user of Notion as my second brain, and AI has supercharged it. Many of its best AI features are available on the free plan. Notion AI helps you write, summarize, plan, and brainstorm. Highlight messy notes and ask, summarize this or find action items, instant takeaways and to-do list. Saved a long article? Get a summary. Explain it like you're 5, or translate to another language. Staring at a blank page? Brainstorm ideas for a YouTube video about sustainable tech, then generate a structured outline. Ask AI to organize tasks into a table with priority, due date, and status. Boom, instant project board. It can write simple formulas, draft professional emails from bullets, or generate a first blog draft. The free version gives you a number of AI actions to try. It frees you to focus on higher-level thinking and execution. All 5 tools are completely free and designed to do the work for you. Whether you want faster research, better slides, automatic videos, stunning designs, or smarter planning, these tools handle it. No hypotheticals, just practical, real-world applications. Research, presentations, image generation, video creation, organizing your entire life. These are the tools that are quietly becoming indispensable. Outro. So there you have it. 5 incredibly powerful AI tools that are free to use and are already doing real, valuable work in 2026. Perplexity revolutionizing research. Gamma building presentations in seconds. Leonardo accelerating creative workflows. Pika accelerating creative workflows. Notion AI accelerating organizational workflows. These aren't just toys, they're legitimate productivity multipliers. They automate the tedious. They inspire creativity. They give you back your most valuable resource, your time. AI is a powerful collaborator. The barrier to entry is gone. You can try every single one of these tools right now without paying a dime. Experiment and see how they fit your life. AI is becoming the ultimate assistant. These free tools are just the beginning. Subscribe to future AI tools for insights into the smartest tools shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.